Hi guys, I'm Konstantin from Ukraine, and I'd like to share with you my 3 video courses for your professional development. The first one is actually sales, how the B2B buyers actually see you as a salesperson and your product. We will talk about negotiation techniques, about your personal traits, about their internal world of buyers, what sort of agenda they have, what sort of business tools they apply for supplier selection. Second course is about supply chain efficiency and your product portfolio management. We'll talk about stocks, inventory. We'll talk about the costs associated with them. We will talk about soft factors like communication internally between logistics, sales, and production people, and finance people, and external tools like collaborative planning and demand forecasting and vendor managed inventory. Third course is actually financial basics, which is connected well between these all courses. We will talk about the product margin, P&L structure, the cash flow analysis, how to avoid cash flow crisis, and finally, how to build a perfect, impactful, attractive business plan for your investor. Can't wait you guys. Please book a trial session. Ciao!